Hi, welcome to my channel, Game Abuse Studios. Wait, where are you going? Hello? Okay. That's fair. For those of you who stayed after being abruptly spoken to, welcome. Welcome to my channel. A channel that I built from the ground up to show you all the crazy things I do and all the stupid things I say.
Why? Why? Ah!
I'm dead. I'm brain dead. Whee! Yay. Yeah, yeah, oh, you almost got it, oh. I don't have any sound effects. Sorry for your ears. But they kind of want money for coffee or something. Get out of here. Get, die. Way too much information. Now it doesn't exist. Yay! Yeah. If you've seen any of my recent videos, you should probably know by now that I have some very big plans. So get ready. Also, if you want to help me out, the best thing you can do is hit the subscribe button. Right over there. It's up there. Just hit. Okay.